my.
Treat your marriage as a living thing. Treat it with respect and nourish it with whatever it needs to keep it young and vibrant. Remember to be kind to one another. Strive to be gentle with criticism and generous with praise.
If you would have told me 6 years ago that I'd be standing here today about to marry Chad Searing, I think I would have laughed pretty hard. At that point, friends is the only way I would have described our relationship.
I thought to myself, man, do I really want to dive into a long-distance relationship with someone who can't legally buy me a beer?
I'm standing here today with not only my best friend, but the love of my life. The man I'm willing to lose 30 minutes of precious sleep for, just to lay in bed cracking up laughing and making ridiculous jokes with.
While your beauty and personality are unmatched, it is the love you have given me that I cherish the most. You have loved me at my best, and you have loved me at my worst. And for that, I will forever be grateful. As I am a better man because of your love.
By the authority vested in me by the state of Maryland, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Chad, you may kiss your beautiful bride.
Chad, it means the world to me to stand up here on my little sister's wedding day and know she has such a great man by her side. I hope you know how much our family loves you and how happy we are to officially have you be a part of the craziness, or the Hamilton Shuffle, as my husband likes to call it.
You two have a special bond that I've admired since day one. You've supported each other through difficult times, and I can see that you both know and are living the true definition of love.